Sometimes the smallest ghost in the machine is the one who saves your life. Hey. The lion sits high in a chrome-plated tower, watching the city, drunk on the power. A shadow moves fast, a glitch in the code. A little street hacker on a dangerous road. The boss caught him cold, hand on the throat. Give me one reason why I shouldn't sink your boat. The kid whispers soft, boss, let me go free. One day you might need a ghost just like me. The lion just laughed, a deep hollow sound. But he opened his hand and he let him hit the ground. In the neon rain where the giants fall, no one is too big, no one is too small. A favor in the dark, a debt on the line. Everything comes back in the fullness of time. A month went by, then the hunters arrived with high-tech nets where no one survived. They caught the syndicate boss in a digital cage, tied his accounts, turned the final page. He was locked in the static, paralyzed, bound, until a soft tapping was the only sound. The hacker was back with the drive in his hand, eating the locks like they were grains of sand. Bypassing firewalls, cutting the thread. I told you I'd pay, it was all that he said. The cage starts to flicker, the systems go wide. The king of the city steps back into the light. In the neon rain where the giants fall, no one is too big, no one is too small. A favor in the dark, a debt on the line. Everything comes back in the fullness of time. Keep your friends close and your debts.
Keep your friends closer. Keep your friends close and your debts. Keep your friends closer.